Have you ever looked at your skin and been like, why do I look so tired even when I'm not? Because same. At one point in time, one day my skin was looking so dull, the next day it was breaking out, then suddenly I had all this redness and fine lines. I went on TikTok and I saw everyone was using this one particular red light therapy mask. Now, a lot of you might know, but I am certified in skincare and repair from Harvard University, and I'm just all around basically obsessed with all things skincare. So after seeing this mask, I decided, okay, I'm gonna have to test this out, especially when I saw what it could do for those tired looking under eyes. So I used the INIA Glow 4D wireless LED mask 4 to 5 times a week for the last 3 months. And I did not expect my skin to change the way that it did. So when the INIA mask arrived, the first thing I noticed was the quality. It looks and feels like a luxury skincare device. And the mask itself is made of this soft, super flexible medical grade silicone that feels super luxe and feels very expensive. It's completely wireless, which is a total game changer for many of us. It has this little magnetic battery pack that clicks right on, so you're not stuck up against a wall plugged in. You know, you can actually get up, you go work on your computer, make your bed, just relax on the couch while you're using it, or clean your house, and there's no wires getting in your way while you're, relaxing or working from home while you're using it. But the two things that really sold me on this mask is what the INIA calls the 4D fit and the dual NIR technology. First, the fit though, the 4D enveloping design that it has. Now, a lot of LED masks kind of lay awkwardly on your face and they leave these weird gaps around your nose and around your jaw. But this mask is designed to hug every curve of your face, all the way around to under your chin, which is super important because for light therapy to work, the light has to be even and consistent. Gaps would mean you're missing spots, and if you're worried about your jawline sagging or about lines around your mouth, the lower face coverage that this mask gives is everything. The second reason, and this is kind of nerdy science, is the light that this mask uses. This mask has 320 high density LED chips in it, but it's the kind of light that's special. It has the standard red light that everyone has probably heard of for anti-aging, but it also has 2 different wavelengths of near infrared light, or NIR. That dual wavelength combo is what takes this mask from a standard at-home mask to something way more powerful. So what does all this tech jargon actually have to do with your skin though? Let me break it down. Think of your skin as having different layers. Different wavelengths of light are like different keys that can reach and unlock different depths of your skin. So first up in this mask is the red light, that's 630 nm, and that is the MVP in most at-home masks. So the top layers of your skin will start to kickstart collagen production because of this light, which makes your skin feel firm and bouncy. It's awesome for smoothing out surface texture and fine lines. Now, then you've got the first near infrared wavelength, 850 nm NIR. You can't see this light, but it goes deeper than red light. Think of it as the collagen repair manager. It gets deep down into the dermis of your skin to calm inflammation, boost circulation. A lot of good at-home masks have this, but here's where the INIA mask gets really interesting. It adds a third, even deeper level with 940 nm NIR. This wavelength is the real kicker, and it's much harder to find in at-home masks. It penetrates deeper than the other lights, reaching the foundational layers of your skin to target your blood vessels and lymphatic system. By improving deep circulation and calming inflammation way down deep, it's actually helping your skin's own natural repair systems to work better. This is the kind of technology used in pro settings to tackle stubborn signs of aging, but you have it all here in this mask at home. So the idea behind this mask is that by combining red light for the surface, 850 nm NIR for mid-level repair, and 940 nm NIR for that deep support, you're treating your skin on every level. You're not just putting a band-aid on a wrinkle, you're supporting the entire structure of your skin. The brand says that this dual NIR approach allows for up to 40% higher energy density and deeper rejuvenation. So fitting the INIA mask into my own routine was surprisingly simple, mostly because it's comfy on your skin and cord-free. The official advice is to use this mask 3 to 5 times a week for a 10-minute session. With at-home devices, consistency is the name of the game. So with consistent use, you will get your best results. Now, here's how I use it. After washing my face at night, I make sure my skin is totally dry because any leftover creams could block the light from this mask. Then I simply put the mask on. It has 2 adjustable Velcro straps that you wrap around the back of your head. And I actually do find this mask much easier to put on than other masks that I've tried from other brands. I pull the Velcro straps just tight enough so the silicone is touching all of my skin. And again, it's touching under my chin. Then I just hit the power button on the controller and it automatically starts on the anti-aging mode, which is the combo of the red light and both NIR lights. There are other modes like the blue light for acne, but I've been using mostly the red light for this review. It doesn't feel awkward or weird at all. It actually feels slightly warm and relaxing, helping your skin to boost circulation. And get this, it comes with these 2 little magnetic cooling gel pads. You keep them in the fridge and then pop them in over the eye area. It depuffs and cools your eyes while the mask is doing its thing. It's such a nice spa-like touch. So for those 10 minutes, I'll usually just put on a podcast or zone out and play with my dogs. Since it's secure and wireless, I'm not forced to lie flat after 10 minutes. And I take it off, I put on my serums and my moisturizers, and I'm done. All right, let's get into the part you're actually here for. Did it work? I've been using this mask 4 to 5 times a week, and I went in feeling hopeful, but I am always skeptical. First though, let's talk about my before. My main complaints were I had these 11 lines that were starting between my brows, and I had these crow's feet that were starting to stick around. And I just had this general feeling that my skin was losing its firmness, especially around my jaw. So my skin was also just looking so tired, like I mentioned earlier. So the first thing I noticed was probably 3 or 4 weeks in, my skin's overall texture and brightness, it just felt so much softer and looked so much more radiant, and I had that post-facial glow, but it was just some random Tuesday morning. So the real structural stuff though took a little bit longer. Around the 6-week mark, I started to see the fine lines around my eyes looking so much softer. They weren't completely gone, but they just did not look as harsh, especially when I smiled. And the biggest difference for me was, and the thing that made me just say, wow, about this device was the firmness along my jawline. This is the area that I was really curious about because of the 4D shape. And my lower face genuinely feels so much tighter and looks so much more defined. There was that little bit of sag that was starting to bug me, but it has noticeably improved. And when I check my side profile, the line from my ear to my chin just looks so much more cleaner and more defined and more lifted. So I feel like the 4D fit and that deep penetrating NIR light really helped. And it's, again, working from the inside out to build up that elasticity. So my results really seem to back up the science that I read, which shows red and near infrared light can boost collagen and elastin, and it can help improve your skin's texture and reduce wrinkles. And I really think that's exactly what this did. But let's be 100% real here. This mask is a little bit of an investment. It's around $200 currently. It is on sale. So it's a bit pricey, but it's definitely more affordable than other ones on the market that have less technology. And then also when you start to do the math and you compare it to those in-office clinic treatments, it begins to make a lot of sense because a series of professional light therapy sessions could set you back thousands of dollars. So this is a one-time purchase, but it's something that you can use for years, and different family members can use it as well for their concerns. The second reality check is the time commitment. 10 minutes a few times a week doesn't sound like a lot, but you have to stick with it because at-home devices really need to balance effectiveness with safety, which very few products on the market achieve. So frequency and duration really do matter, and overdoing it won't speed things up though. Skin cell turnover takes about 28 days, while collagen remodeling and regeneration usually takes about 3 to 6 months. So make sure to use your device consistently to get your best results. And I like to think of it now like brushing my teeth, something that I do just as a part of my daily routine. So who is this mask for? I'd say it's for anyone with skin issues or who's seeing those first real signs of aging, maybe fine lines and dullness and a loss of firmness. and would like to try a non-invasive tool for their at-home beauty arsenal, it's for someone willing to put in the time and the money as a part of their long-term skincare routine. And it perfectly bridges that gap between your nightly serums and those pricey clinical procedures. Something really special about this too is that this mask has 4 smart LED modes. So personally, I'm hooked on that anti-aging red mode, which again boosts collagen and smooths wrinkles and firm sagging skin. But there's also a blue light mode, which is great for acne. And if you or someone in your family has breakouts, they could use the blue mode. And then there's also an orange mode, which is great for melasma or rosacea. And then there's this purple mode, which is the soothing mode, which will definitely help to calm irritated skin. So I have basically been using the red mode though, which again helps to boost that collagen production in your skin. So with that, I have seen this huge improvement in how my crow's feet look now. Again, they're so much firmer, and I do believe my under eye area looks so much more rejuvenated. It looks more plumper, it looks firmer, and I really do think that it has helped to firm the sagging skin on my jawline, as I mentioned earlier, because this area is definitely looking more lifted since I've started using this mask. My skin again looks smoother and glowier. So my final verdict on the INIA 4D mask: is it worth the investment to get clinical grade results at home? For me, that's a huge yes. The smart design, the wireless freedom, and most importantly, that advanced dual NIR technology really makes this mask stand out. That 4D fit is not a gimmick. It gets the light exactly where you need it to fight sagging and to help firm your skin up. I love that it offers something that is actually, in my opinion, better than in-office visits. And it has the ability to consistently support your skin's health from deep within on your own time. The visible change in my fine lines, especially how my jawline is so much firmer, has made me a total believer, and what it's done for my crow's feet has been just a total confidence booster. This beauty device has earned a permanent spot on my skincare shelf and in my skincare routine. So if you want to check out the INIA 4D mask for yourself, I'll drop the link down below in the description box. And I really want to hear from you guys. Have you tried any at-home anti-aging devices? What has your experience been? Let me know down below what you found that actually works. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and beauty content.